Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're talking about a very important topic: how to speak English confidently.
Speaking English confidently can be challenging, especially if you're a beginner. But don't worry, we're here to help.
Yes, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and tips to boost your confidence in English speaking.
Let's start with why confidence is so important. When you speak confidently, people understand you better, and you feel more comfortable expressing yourself.
But Alex, what if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. What's important is to keep trying and not let fear stop you.
That's reassuring.
To speak English confidently, you need a strong foundation. Here are 3 things to focus on. Vocabulary ***. Learn new words every day. Start with simple, commonly used words like greetings, hello, good morning, how are you? Everyday objects, table, phone, chair. Grammar ***. Understand basic sentence structures. For example, subject plus verb plus object. I eat apples. Questions: do you like apples? Pronunciation ***. Practice saying words correctly. Use online dictionaries or apps to hear how words are pronounced.
These steps sound simple, but they're so important. Alex, I get nervous when I have to speak English. How can I overcome that?
Great question. Here are some tips. Start small ***. Begin with short sentences like, my name is Emma, or I like coffee. Practice alone ***. Talk to yourself in English. For example, describe your day. Find a supportive environment ***. Practice with friends or join an English-speaking group.
What if someone laughs at my mistakes?
Focus on the positive. Most people admire learners for trying. To gain confidence, practice is key. Here are some techniques. Mirror practice ***. Stand in front of a mirror and speak English. Watch your expressions and body language. Record yourself ***. Record your voice and listen to it. Identify areas to improve. Role-playing ***. Imagine situations like ordering food or introducing yourself.
These ideas are fun and easy to try. Alex, can we practice a real-life conversation?
Sure. Imagine you're ordering coffee.
Hi, I'd like a coffee, please.
Of course. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Perfect. See how natural that feels. Fluency is about speaking smoothly. Here are tips to improve. 1. Think in English. Avoid translating from your native language. 2. Use simple words. Don't try to use big words if you're not sure. 3. Listen more ***. Watch English shows, listen to podcasts, or talk to fluent speakers.
Thinking in English really helps.
Confidence starts in your mind. Believe in yourself and your ability to learn.
How do I stay positive?
Set small goals. For example, speak English for 5 minutes a day. Celebrate your progress. Let's talk about common mistakes and how to avoid them. Set small goals. For example, speak English for 5 minutes a day. Celebrate your progress. 1. Speaking too fast. Speak slowly and clearly. 2. Using complicated words. Stick to simple vocabulary. 3. Overthinking grammar. Focus on communication, not perfection.
These tips will save me so much stress.
Emma, let's practice introducing yourself.
Hi, my name is Emma. I'm learning English and I love reading books.
Great job. To everyone watching, practice like this every day. You'll see amazing progress. That's it for today's lesson on how to speak English confidently.
Remember, confidence comes with practice and patience.
Like, comment, and subscribe to Speak English Basics. Let us know your favorite tip in the comments.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends.
See you next time.